Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanesh Kanotial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Today's topic is square. Today we learn how to find the square in less than 5 seconds. So start our topic. Today we learn how to find the square of any number in less than 5 seconds. First we take the number of 24 to finding the square. Square means multiply any number to itself. Then it means is square. Then we write it also 24 power 2. In this method we can solve it less than 5 seconds. Let's see how to we solve this question. Take square of 2 is 04. Square of 4 16. Multiply 2 4 8. Take double is 16. Then answer is 6 7 576. It is our answer. Some student thinks how we solve it. So let's start. First we divide the number in two parts. Take first number square. Square of 2 is 4. But always we write the square in 2 digits. So square of 2 we write 04. Square of 4 is 16. So we write 16 because it is already in 2 digits. So take multiple 2 4 ja 8 and then we take the double of multiplication. 8 2 ja 16. Here 16. 6 is as it is. 1 plus 6 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. It is our solution. Let's take another number for finding the square. So let's start. 73 multiply 73 means square of 73. In this method again we divide the number in two parts. 7 3. Square of 7 is 49. Square of 3 is 9. Then we write the 09 because we have to write the any square in 2 digits. So write 09. So take multiply 7 3 ja 21. Then we take the double of multiplication. 21 2 ja 42 and write it after 1 digit means 42. Then add the number. Then 9 is as it is. 2 9 4 3 13. 1 carry 5 means answer is 5329. It is our solution, the square of 73. In this method, we can find the any number square with less than 5 seconds. We have another method to finding the square. We'll also learn that method. Here, we take the difference from simple number. Simple number means 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, that type of number. So, it is near to 20. So, what is the difference from 20? Is 4. So, first we subtract and add the difference from number. So 24 minus 4 is 20. 24 plus 4 is 28. Here write the square of difference is 16. In denominator we write 10 because we are taking difference in only 1 digit. Then write zeros after 1. 1 zeros after 1. If we take in difference in 2 digits, then we write the 100 in denominator. So solving it, 0 cancel by 0. Here we can write only 1 digit. So 6 is as it is. 1 is added in next part. So 28 2 ja 56 or 1 57. Then our answer is 576. Next, here number is 73. It is near to 70. So first we add it and subtract. 73 minus 3 70. 73 plus 3 76 upon 10 because we are adding and subtract 1 digit number. Here we write the square of difference. 3 square is 9. It is already in 1 digit, so we write it as it is 9. 0 cancel 0. Then 7 multiply 76. Then 7 6 ja 42, 2 4 remaining, 7 7 ja 49 or 4 53. It is our solution. By this method, we can solve the square of any number less than 5 seconds. By this method, we check again. In first method, we divide the number in two parts. First part, write the square, then we write the square of second part, and in downside, write the double of their multiplication. Double means first we multiply to each other and take double, multiply by 2. 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Then we added the here number. 6 as it is, 1, 6, 7, 4 plus 1, 5. Here also that method, 7 and 3 are two parts. Square of 7 is 49, square of 3 is 09. And if their multiplication is 21, take double is 42. After one digit, it is right. 9 as it is, 2 as it is, 9, 4, 13, 3, 1 carry, 1 or 4, 5. It is our solution by first method, separation method. Second method is depend on difference from simple number. Here difference from simple number is 4, so we take 4. 4 added and subtracted from this number. First we subtract 24 minus 4, 20. Then we add 24 plus 4, 28. In denominator we write 10 because difference is in one digit. So write the 10 and write the slash. Then we write the square of difference. Square of 4 is 60. 0 are cancelled and 28 to the 56. But here are in 2 digit of square. So 6 write as it is and 1 it added the multiplication of 28 multiplied to 28 to the 56 plus 1 57. It is our solution. In this method 73. It is near to 70 or difference is 3. So first we subtract 73 minus 3 70. 73 plus 3 76. In denominator we write the 10 because difference in one digit and take square. Square is also in one digit. So write it is as it is. 10 cancelled by zeros and 76 multiplied 7 is 532. It is our answer. Let's start for solving next question. One 106 multiply 106. Here we divide it in two parts, 10 and 6. So take square of 10 is 100 and square of 6 is 36. And write the double of their multiplication. First multiplication 10 6 are 60 and take double 120. Write after one digit 120. And add the number 6, 3, 2, 1, 1. It is our solution. Next question is 112 multiply 112. Similarly, first we divide the number in two parts, 11 and 2. Square of 11 is 121. Square of 2 is 4, means 04. Their multiplication is 22. Take double, then it is 44. After one digit it is right and add 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. It is our solution. Every time we find the square of any number less than 5 seconds, let's start by second method. If we want to find the 106 by second method, we here see that 106 is near to 6. So we subtract and add 06 from 106. First we subtract 06 from 106 is 100. Multiply. Add 06 from 106 is 112. Upon we write 100 because 06 is a 2-digit number. And take square of 06. Square of 06 is 36. 100 are cancelled to each other. Then our answer is 1, 1, 2, 3, 6. It is our answer. In next question, 112. 112, it is near to the 100 and difference is 12. So 12 add and subtract. First we subtract 112 minus 12 is 100. Multiply. 112 plus 12 is 124 upon 100 because 12 are in 2 digits. Here write the square of 12 is 144. 100 are cancelled. We can write the number here only in 2 digits because difference in only 2 digits. So 44 are as it is and 1 is added in next part. So our answer is 125. Then total answer is 12,544, the square of 112. By this method we can find the square of any number less than 5 seconds. So practice it and then you can solve in easily in any examination. So thank you for watching this video. Again I am repeating that if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got a lot of video to solve mathematical problem in easy way. Thank you for watching this video and wait for next video.